Oh my god. What's poppin', gang? You know the vibes. So today I'm coming at you with another hair tutorial on this braid right here, the slick back braid right here. So if you want to see how I do it, keep watching. First thing to do, always wet the straw. I'm going to use my olive oil and mango butter anti-breakage leave-in. Yeah, you know the vibes. I'm gonna take my black castor oil eco styler, like little some of it, rub it together in my hands, push that through my hair. Now the reason why I did that before I did my part is because I forgot, so don't come for me in the comments. Don't come for me in the comments. Forgot to clean up this part. So I'm gonna take my rat tail comb and create my part. Oh, that's just, oh, that part. So, I'm gonna check to brush it out a little bit. See how it's laying. If it's laying a little weird, that's where we know, that's how we need more gel there. Look at that wave, wavy, seasick. Oh. So right now what I'm doing is I'm pulling my hair back and where are my scrunchies? They was on the windowsill. Right now what I'm doing is pulling my hair into a little makeshift ponytail. This is a little makeshift one while we get the rest together, you see. This is where we add more gel. Oh yeah, get them peas in the back of your neck, sis. They be there. This is also where I add a little bit of oil. So this is just some Jamaican black castor oil. So I'm gonna add a little bit of that right now. I'm just brushing the peas, you know what I'm saying? I'm using Eben 24-hour edge tamer. You know the vibes. Well, you might not, because I only did like 2 hair videos on this channel. But like, you know, still, I'm using Eben. So now you know the vibes. I'm about to go do the other joint off camera. Like, the whole pose would look better if I had lashes, but I don't. My eyelashes on bald head whole shit. Period. And that's not okay. Okay, so I'm back. So I'm back. And I'm about to add the ponytail. Yeah. If you're a boy and you're watching this and you're like, oh, that's how they do it. Shut up. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Because by the end of this video, you're going to be like, this that splash. You know what I'm saying? It's that splash right here. I'm going to braid it down. You know what I'm saying? So I just tuned into the class of 2020 graduation ceremony on live, the one that LeBron hosting, because I'm graduating, period. Honor me. No, please don't take that serious. Please don't take me serious. Anyway, I'm gonna now cover my ponytail with the hair. See you again. You better sing. Period. They sung that, John. I'm gonna decorate it because I can do that. Period. So I'm gonna put hair clips in. If you want to know where I get all my hair clips are from Don't Be Shady on Instagram. I'll leave the Instagram link in the description. So that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.